That's the word. What's going on? This car. I can't forget the cause. I come back with another YouTube video. And today I'm finna go on a hike, go walk on a trail, cause I gotta clear my mind. I ain't got nothing else to do. You feel me? I might do something after that, might not. But yeah, we finna get right into it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next clip. Okay, I'm here. It's at this library around the corner from where I play. I gotta put my shoes on and get listening to music, dude. Yeah, I really need to clear my mind. I got a lot of shit going on, but I'm stressed out. Get to walking. It's the only day that it's like, well, only time I can get out here when it's not raining, because it's gonna rain later today. But yeah. Let's do it. Get to the Green Trail because it's like the second longest one, and I don't want to be out here for too long, but I do want to be here for a good bit. So yeah. Their basketball. The tree that fell back there, and another freaking basketball or something. But it's like fell right over the river. That's kind of cool. But I can't really like focus in on it. walked too far. I went down the wrong freaking path because they didn't freaking change the letters. I meant the color. So I'm about to get back on the actual green path and walk the other way, all the way down, and then it connected to like the orange path to the end of the river or whatnot. But I didn't want to go that far, so I walked back. And yeah, I'm about to go down the actual green path and go into the loop. So yeah, the sign probably did say green loop that way, but I didn't listen. So it's probably on me. So yeah. A lot of fallen trees around here. I don't know what happened. Like, just over there, all those trees. Right there. I don't know what's going on right here. Goodness. I just walked right through a spider web too. Bro, ain't no telling how long it's been since somebody walked this trail, bro. I don't walk through so many spider webs. This is one right in front of me, actually. Like, bro, I know I can't see it, but like, dang, bro. It must have been a minute since somebody walked this trail, bro. I'm fighting for my life, bro. This is probably where the other green trail connect from that I was walking through first. I guess I could have kept going. Maybe I would have avoided all those freaking spider webs and fallen trees. So yeah. Dang. Oh well, maybe next time I'll go that way and keep going that way. Yeah. Hopefully I don't walk through no more spider webs. Man. Sun came back out. I wish it was out the entire time I was walking. Can't lie. But still in nature, so it was beautiful either way. Oh my God. Oh, it's a baby frog, bro. It's not a baby frog, but a tiny frog. That's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting to run into people. I just ran into people back there at that map, bro. I probably thought I was talking to myself. Because, well, technically I am talking to a camera, though, but it's only me. Yeah. Wasn't expecting to see people out here, though. Trail that way. That's the green trail just be splitting, bro. Like, but I think I'm back at the library. I'm not sure. Or no, this is somebody's backyard, it looked like. Bro, I have no idea where I'm at. Almost just ran right into the spider web. I don't even know what type of spider that is. That's crazy. Like, bro. Bro, I just got so lost in space. So I ended up going back to that sign where I ran into that family at. And then walked back the other way, and then it literally said exit green trail on one of the signs. I really have to do better. I'm acting like Zorro out this motherfucker, bro. No sense of direction. So embarrassing. But I'm good now. I think I said that like 3 times already, but for sure, for real now, I'm good. Back at the bridge. So it literally was just a big loop, bro. It was just like a family out here, bro. I think they just went swimming or something in the creek, but like, yeah. It's beautiful though, like the family out here together. It's pretty cool. Probably better than me being out here alone. Yeah. But I found my way back. Only got a little bit walking until I'm back in my car. So yeah. It got hot. Well, humid. Back to the car. I'm gonna head home now. Got a shower. I feel very yucky. Yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed the little trail walk, man. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, man.
Smoke a wood in the woods on some wood. I approve this message. 1400, 800.